Chinedu never tell una the truth. He talk am for your presence that day for Agbor go e village. He say na because of me and dis children na dem deport am come Nigeria. And for say make you help me answer. Me and the children wey dem because of her deport Chinedu from abroad come throway for Nigeria for here. How we take see wey e come be say.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about what they call him? This Agbor man, Chinedu, we abandon this our Edo sister for Nigeria. My people, pray may you not marry man like Chinedu. Pray may you not marry evil man like Chinedu. Chinedu na evil like evil we him be. I be not even queen know say na Agbor guy safe, my people. Una know say Agbor guys some of them they be evil. No wonder when they do this kind thing to our Edo sister. This Chinedu so in with this woman they suffer together for Spain there. This woman contribute for her no be small. Una know say when the first day when they see her, because the other side just see her now, because of waiting in the pass through before he just join the man. Some women are bad. Some women are bad. I was like, the other side, take it easy, man. Now because of waiting when friend do you, now you just the verse. He said, men have to join men. I was like, even when the man they talk, see, the woman render him useless. Now the woman cause her frustrate. I was like, how? The thing can't surprise me. The other side, you just the believe. I can't say, this John, everything they okay with you this day today. How can you carry somebody document more than listing my people? No? You deceive the woman, collect the document and the children document. Then you go back. You go back to Spain. You dey Spain ever since this woman in Nigeria they suffer. I can't rather you useless. Now come and I visit you. Come and I visit you. According to the woman, he said the mama said Lala no go gree make Chinedu marry him. You understand? Because he a Benin woman, he want make Chinedu marry Agbor woman. So now he make Chinedu come just planner. Evil man. Come just planner. I say Agbor, they're too evil, not lie now. Agbor guys, some of them more than not get me wrong. Some of them too evil. If they follow Agbor, man, if you be Benin, maybe you just look at well, because they're too wicked, eh? They go just they pretend follow you like say they like you, but if they want to do you something, you don't go. At the time when you need them, then they go show you, Agbor. I don't follow Agbor guy. I know what they talk about. They wicked. They wicked die for Agbor to do this kind of thing to this woman. And then I know say, Agbor guy say now God now go see some of una. Okay, I can two of una. They make money together for Spain there. Una they gather money together. What they can make you abandon this woman for Nigeria? And I may not understand. What they make you deceive the woman collect documents for your hand? Is it the funny part? Is it the play rude? Like I don't understand. The understand they say me they invite her, make it come to the office. He say me they tell the understand they say they busy. Like seriously. So now the say they want to use force now. Say make sure say they go meet them. Because the way everything be now. So they have to use force. Say carry mopo, go meet them. Because you have to take care of these children. Even that they said you don't want great children. Like seriously. Very wicked people. Some of them. I'm not versed. So I don't say I get Agbor where they wash me too. But some of them they're too wicked. I don't lie now because I know what they're talking about. I know what they talk about, I don't feel they inside though. Agbor. If they show you where you need them, even the one where you help. Agbor, person will be say, we are the follow, that's in that they suffer. Make everything see they okay. My enemy, they coma. We be say my enemy almost one me. As they call and she abandon me for hospital there. He abandoned me when I did coma. Agbor guy, I do that into me. I spent 3 days for coma. So they weak, they are mind, they are back now. They very wicked people. Person waiting is rough. When me, I see the help that time. So they did wicked, like some of them. In fact, if I say they don't even like me, Benin, they follow them. You understand? So this our sister and her help, like we go just help her. Make she come for Nigeria as you know, say I get talk. I just pray make a support really come. May help her come from nowhere. May they help this woman. Because Agbor guys, some of them too wicked, I beg. See what he do to this our sister now. Eh? See what he do to her. Even the woman see this, she never even remarry. She never even remarry for that years where they leave the woman. Very wicked man. He said, he don't marry. Don't marry a tribe now. See where it can be frustrated. When I'm not Benin women, if they follow man, they want to make sure everything they okay. They go to support. That is why I love Benin women. But if you go follow another tribe, they will never like you as you go do follow their wish. You understand? So that just be the thing. I just feel pity for this our sister. And your premier help come from nowhere. Make you see who go help her. Because a wrong track, now you just go enter. Okay, make him release the document now. It's not problem for Chinedu. Those documents he must release them. Because now evil man I be. Evil. He who does that, collect documents from your wife. You just, if you don't say you don't want to marry him again, as your man say you don't marry him, you for your liver. You for liver for Spain there. I don't want to again, not by force. What can make you collect documents from a Chinedu? Eh? Why be say some men they wicked like this? I don't understand. If now this woman do this kind of to you, how you go feel? How you go feel Chinedu the ogogoro man? We even be saying the Europe, we never know say if they eat bread and a camu for a do there. Very wicked you might be this Agbor guy. Wicked to the core. You know, if you treat our sister like this, God go judge you, Chinedu. God, he go judge you. Now come and visit you, so you never know the one where you did. So you must release that document. Thank you, Madam Lepo. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye, everybody. Bye. I will put the video now more and see.
Now the same money matter. Now the same money matter. Now I cause problem for you and Chinedu. Now the same money matter. Go ahead.
Daddy, no be money matter, no be cause quarrel between me and Chinedu. Chinedu never tell una the truth. He talk am for your presence that day for Agbor go in village. He say na because of me and these people na get the first time call Nigeria. And for say make you help me answer. Me and the children wey dey because of a deport Chinedu from abroad come away from Nigeria for here. How we take see when come be say na me and my children na more concern when they dey deport and call Nigeria. And again, that's the second question wey I go answer. Chinedu say he give me 6 million, he give me 10 million. Person wey dey give 6 million or 10 million to, they know am. They know they see am for his body. He say after don't give me that 10 million, I come pursue mama come up for us. My very self. I will still pray there and night that for God to dedicate me. I don't wear every now can such about that. No, some one also will make me. That is just my prayer. Chinedu, tomorrow answer where he go, where he go to camp. But they take the ports and call Nigeria. Umban, he was a Umban. I reject that like that. When they lie against me and my children, that is not be me and my children call Sam. When they take the ports and call Nigeria. I don't know too. Make you know they lie. Make God make for healer. For this situation when he does so. Because this situation when he does so that he still they use you know see they play wrong. He still they use the see they commit more say you know good. Thank God for have mercy on him. Make God for forgive him. Make God for heal him. Because see him in this situation, where he in this condition where he is so. Me, I don't like him. I don't like him, Daddy. I dey still dey pray for him. Make God make him forgive him. What he give me at these children. Even the person don't praise me for good 30 years. Only me one. Come consult that thing. More na think am. I'm a human being, na blood. Now they use. Now the children they use. Children now they go school for so many years that they have. Now carpet now they sleep. I dey for pastor house. Me and my children where we dey sleep. If na one man go to the person who dey stay, you go even cry sef. You go even cry that if you see where like these children they stay that day. All because of children. The mama say make it no marry. We say I be Benin. He want marry their child for her. The mama do.
Hold on. Before we continue there, Innocent, let's give joy. Let's give this joy this song. Ovigbo maro oviedo.
Ovigbo maro oviedo. Wagenota gata. Ovigbo maro oviedo. Wagenota gata. Ovigbo maro.
It's okay. All right. Madam, God sent Foundation family, please go ahead and ask your questions on this platform. Your opinions is all welcome. I can't solve this case alone. I really wanted to end this case today, but a new development came up, and I am going to do everything possible to find the end of this matter because of the children. Those children deserve to live a better life, okay? When I asked you to invite Chinedu, Innocent, what did Chinedu say?
Chinedu said he's always busy, that he does not have that time, that if we want to see him, that we should come to his office, that does not have time to come to Benin, that he's a very busy person.
Okay, that's good. So he disrespected my order. So you have to call Chinedu and let him know that he disrespected my order, that I'm going to take the next step now. Okay, I'm going to force him to come to Benin. I'll let him know that in the next 72 hours, we are filing a petition against him with the AIG to bring him to Benin, since that it is the force he wants for the sake of the children. We know where he lives, we know his shop, we know everything about him, we have all the information. So call him and say that your boss said in the next 72 hours, if he doesn't respond, we are going to petition him and come and pick him up like an animal. Okay? Since he doesn't want to respect himself, then we'll have to show the other side. I just came for a peaceful resolution, but there's law binding this kind of cases where a young man will forcefully take a document of another person to Europe to go and collect benefits. I already know everything that happened to your husband. Chinedu was not deported, okay? Chinedu was not deported. I'm going to call one Chinedu friend now who knows him very well to tell us the real Chinedu before we can continue. Chinedu was not deported. Chinedu has been living in Europe all this while. Chinedu moved from Castillon to Murcia, where he has been living. Chinedu was working in a factory in Lucia, where he had an accident in the factory. He fell in the factory and broke his waist. And he was in the hospital for some time, and they now put Chinedu on disability. According to the information I received, Chinedu has been coming to Nigeria every year in the last 10 years. Until last 2 years, he has been in Nigeria. So we are still finding more information about this. I'm going to make a call to Chinedu's friend to tell us a little bit more. Okay, the young man is not picking up, okay? The young man is not picking up, but this young man knows you very well. He probably watching me now and don't want to be involved in it, but he knows you very well. He knows everything that happened. It is true that Chinedu went home with you. It is true that Chinedu requested for you to send your document back for some kind of renewal. It is true that you and Chinedu, did you guys buy a house together in Europe?
Yes, in Castillon there.
You guys bought a house together. You were working hard together. At some
Yes.
at some
Came up
point,
with my document. He also backed me up with his documents.
you guys bought
So
the
back,
house together. Yes.
yes, sir.
And a time now came that the government were not helping you guys to pay the bill. Is that correct?
No, sir. We are paying into the account of the agent that said the house for us. We were working together. Chinedu was working while myself I was also working. Then we were paying it together.
Okay, but whatever. I know that you guys now have a house, but when you moved to Nigeria, what Chinedu did was that house you guys were living in. Chinedu now rented out the house or something like that. But that's why I wanted to call this guy to give us all the real information. So a time now came, Chinedu were using your document and your son document to collect benefits in Castellon. When that benefit now expired, when it was time to renew it, Chinedu could not renew the documents. That is how Chinedu now moved to a different state in Spain called Lucia or Murcia or whatever. So all these years, Chinedu have been living in Murcia, okay? So many people who know Chinedu have told me Chinedu's story. Chinedu was not deported. He was not deported. And every year he comes to Nigeria. So the government of Spain is paying Chinedu disability because Chinedu fell from work where he was working in a factory. He fell and broke his waist. So maybe that is why he's looking like that. So last 2 years, Chinedu fell at work and he broke his waist and he was in the hospital for some time. And that's how he came back to Nigeria and started that business. Right now, as I speak to you, Chinedu has been remarried and he also have other children, okay? All right, so we are still on top of this case, madam. What we are going to do now, last time I sent you to the office of the AIG, to the police station.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but when I evaluate the case, I find out that it was not good that we use force on him. That was why I said, let's go first to make peace with him so that we can talk to him and bring back the documents of all these children so I can see how we can help them.
Okay,
so now that Chinedu don't like peace, we are going to contact, excuse me, let me just make a call now.